So, based on the information we know so far, Samsung is planning big hardware enhancements for the Galaxy S24 family. Based on supply chain knowledge, Ice Universe has revised his renderings, and the phone is now likely to appear like this, with consistent thin bezels all around and a flat display. We knew the S24 Ultra would have a very bright display, but we didn't realize how bright. Ice Universe showcases the phone's display characteristics. The 6.78-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display on the S24 Ultra will have a QHD+ resolution. The claimed peak brightness of 2500 nits is the true showstopper here. To put this in context, it's a remarkable 750 nit improvement over the S23 Ultra. This brightness level is much superior than the peak brightness of the iPhone 14 Pro Max, which is 2000 nits. However, Xiaomi still holds the record for the brightest phone display, with the Xiaomi 13 Ultra phone reaching 2600 nits of peak brightness. The display is made by CSOT. What's more, the normal S24 and S24 Plus will offer the same 2500 nits of peak brightness this time, which is fantastic. So there is no difference in the display across all three types. It should be noted that these new screens are not only brighter, but also slimmer, create more brilliant colors, and are more energy efficient, using less battery power than present displays. Samsung is not only delivering brighter panels, but also a higher resolution panel to the Plus model. For the first time in 3 years, the Galaxy S24 Plus will boast a QHD+ resolution. The last time we saw a Plus phone with a QHD+ resolution was in the S20 Plus. So, instead of 2340 by 1080 pixels, the phone will feature 3120 by 1440 resolution, which is the same as the S24 Ultra. We've been pleading with Samsung to stop treating non-Ultra S phones as second-rate. I'm relieved that the corporation finally listened. Ice Universe made the S24 Plus render based on supply chain facts, and it looks really stunning with those razor-thin bezels. The S24 Plus will also feature a 4900 mAh battery, which is 100 mAh less than the S24 Ultra, the same LTPO display technology, and a flat frame like the Ultra. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.